Keeping your home clean is a constant battle, especially if you're juggling a busy schedule. Traditional corded vacuum cleaners, while effective, can be cumbersome and restrictive. This Gtech AirRam MK2 Cordless Vacuum Cleaner is a modern solution designed to make home cleaning more efficient and enjoyable. This powerful, lightweight, and easy-to-use vacuum cleaner promises to redefine your cleaning routine. In this detailed review, we'll explore the features and benefits that make the Gtech AirRam MK2 an exceptional choice for any household. The primary allure of the Gtech AirRam MK2 is its cordless design. Without the limitations of a power cord, you can navigate through your home effortlessly. No more tripping over cables or having to switch outlets as you move from room to room. This freedom allows you to clean more efficiently, focusing on the task at hand rather than managing a cumbersome cord. Imagine gliding through your home with a vacuum cleaner that follows your lead, unburdened by cords. How much more enjoyable could your cleaning tasks become? The Gtech AirRam MK2 features a unique AirLOC system that enhances its cleaning efficiency. This innovative system is designed to capture both large debris and fine dust particles. As you push the vacuum forward, the AirLOC system opens to pick up larger debris. On the backstroke, it locks down to suck up embedded dust, ensuring a thorough clean with every pass. Additionally, the powerful rotating brush bar is particularly effective at removing stubborn pet hair, making it an excellent choice for pet owners. With its advanced AirLOC system, the Gtech AirRam MK2 ensures no debris is left behind, providing a deep clean that leaves your floors spotless. One of the standout features of the Gtech AirRam MK2 is its compact design. Without the hassle of tangled cords, storage becomes a breeze. The vacuum is easy to tuck away in a closet or corner when not in use, and its sleek design means it won't take up much space. Furthermore, the lithium-ion battery pack is removable, allowing you to charge it separately if you don't have a convenient plug socket nearby. Transitioning between different floor types is seamless with the Gtech AirRam MK2. Whether you're cleaning carpets, hardwood floors, or tiles, this vacuum adapts without the need for manual adjustments. This versatility saves time and ensures consistent cleaning performance across all surfaces. Experience the ease of moving from carpets to hard floors without stopping to change settings. The Gtech AirRam MK2 makes multi-surface cleaning a breeze. Powered by a 22 volts lithium-ion battery, the Gtech AirRam MK2 offers up to 40 minutes of runtime on a single 4-hour charge. This duration is sufficient to clean most homes thoroughly, and the 4-stage LED display keeps you informed about the remaining battery life. The ability to clean for such an extended period without interruption is a significant advantage, especially for larger homes. Emptying the vacuum cleaner is often a dreaded task, but the Gtech AirRam MK2 simplifies this process. Its dirt collection system compresses debris into a capsule located in the vacuum head. When it's time to empty, a simple slide of the ejector arm releases the compressed dirt into the bin, making the process quick, hygienic, and mess-free. No more mess when emptying your vacuum. The Gtech AirRam MK2's Easy Empty Bin makes maintaining your vacuum cleaner a hassle-free task. Weighing just a few pounds, the Gtech AirRam MK2 is incredibly lightweight. This makes it easy to carry up and down stairs, and its ergonomic design ensures comfortable use during extended cleaning sessions. The swivel steering and lay-flat handle allow you to maneuver around and under furniture with ease, ensuring no spot is left uncleaned. Imagine a vacuum cleaner so light and agile that cleaning becomes less of a chore and more of an effortless glide through your home. The Gtech AirRam MK2 is equipped with LED headlights that illuminate the cleaning path, making it easier to spot and clean dirt and debris in low-light areas. This feature ensures that even the hidden dust bunnies under your furniture don't stand a chance. This vacuum is designed with the environment in mind. Its energy-efficient battery reduces your carbon footprint, and the high-quality filters ensure that it performs at peak efficiency for years. The washable filters mean you won't need to purchase replacements frequently, making it a cost-effective choice in the long run. Final thoughts. The Gtech AirRam Mk2 Cordless Vacuum Cleaner is a revolutionary tool that brings convenience, power, and efficiency to your cleaning routine. Its cordless design, powerful suction, and easy maneuverability make it a standout choice for anyone looking to upgrade their vacuum cleaner. Whether you're dealing with pet hair, large debris, or fine dust, the Gtech AirRam Mk2 has the features and performance to handle it all with ease. Invest in the Gtech AirRam Mk2 today and transform your cleaning experience into something you look forward to. Transform your cleaning routine with the Gtech AirRam Mk2 Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and make your purchase today. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.